So I've never had so many people working on stage. Love it. Love to be. What's your name?
Francie.
Fancy. How long you been here?
This is my fifth season, I think.
Cool. All right, guys, we're gonna have a blast.
5 for you, so you guys
Okay.
The bridge on, like, this is so hard to talk to you about. The bridge on Maremoso. Are we gonna do it twice or one time?
Yeah, because I keep on changing. It's my fault. We'll do it twice. Let's do it twice.
No, you're doing right.
No, I'm doing wrong.
You're on camera.
Jake,
2 times.
you want to do it twice or you want to do once?
Whatever you want. I'm for doing it twice.
Twice? Okay, we'll do it twice. Alex, you want to do it twice or once?
Twice.
Okay.
Twice. Twice is nice.
Okay, I'm just trying to think if there's anything. Oh, Katatonika, is that again? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's a
I think I
funk.
still have that written somewhere.
War was here.
So we're
Very
starting it.
nice.
How are we starting that one?
It's like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, so laughing.
And actually, I don't come in. I do the kick, but I don't come into the full groove
Poncho
for like 4
Sanchez.
bars. But yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Don't feel free to lay into it.